Greetings, and I hope 2025 is off to a great start for you. As many of you know, that we utilize an integrative care approach to manage our patients. We utilize this approach to help individuals with complex health problems improve their overall health in a way that would be difficult to do otherwise. However, often we get calls and comments and questions on our YouTube channel regarding how does this program work? How can I apply this at home? Do I have to come to your center? The answer to those questions vary. In general, they work in a number of different ways depending on your health condition. Many people do not have to come to our center to improve their health. They can utilize many of these approaches right at home. What we've done in 2025 is dedicate ourselves to putting together a number of educational material, such as online courses, videos, handouts, and the like, that will help you get insight in terms of how these programs work. And first and foremost, we're releasing a YouTube premiere of a docuseries that we put together a couple of years ago that shows the inner workings of our integrative care therapy. Heart and Soul of a Champion is an 8-episode docuseries that takes you into the lives of about 4 or 5 patients who come to our center, and it allows you to observe them going through our program, and it gives you insight in terms of the ups and downs of how they utilize this program.
I was going to the doctor regularly. We did a biopsy, and the biopsy came back as positive for prostate cancer. At that point, I was like, oh my gosh.
These individuals have very complex medical problems. You see on a day-to-day basis what they go through here at our center.
I came here to run a 4.4 or better 40-yard dash at 63. And so sure enough, we were going through the program and turned out I've had some issues.
When a patient comes with a blood pressure, it's 191/114. This is a blood pressure that's at a level that's considered stroke level. This is a medical emergency. 1 minute they're up talking to you, the other minute they collapse in death.
It was just a lot of unknown uncertainties. What did that mean, congestive heart failure? I'm gonna have a heart attack? Is my heart gonna stop working? It's a combination of all those things that could happen.
February 1st, we're releasing our YouTube premiere of episode 1 of Heart and Soul of a Champion. This is our athletes edition. These individuals who come are athletes who have worked at the prime of their physical fitness maybe decades ago. They're now in their 50s and 60s, and they have chronic illnesses that they're trying to overcome. It's informative, it's entertaining, but most of all, it's educational. So join us on February 1st for our premiere of episode 1 of Heart and Soul of a Champion. 1 week after that, I'll be joining you on a live YouTube Q&A session to address any questions that you have about this program. So look forward to seeing you then and there.